So guys, may mali dun sa una. So, ulitin ko. Let's start sa anatomy ng cardiac cycle. So, cardiac cycle begins within the SA node, going to the AV node, to the bundle of His, through the Purkinje fibers. But before going into the bundle of His, sa AV node, there is a delay happening. That delay is normal because it allows the atria to eject all of the blood into the ventricles. So, from the atria, medyo binabagalan yung impulse para yung dugo from the atria ay mababa lahat sa ventricles. Parang walang maiiwan, walang residual. So, once na na-sense ng AV na okay na, then, dun mangyayari yung pag-eject ng blood from the ventricles into the parts of our body. So, we have the SA node, AV node, bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers. So, remember that one cardiac cycle is equal to one heartbeat. So, if this cardiac cycle is incorporated with the PQRST waves, ganito yon. So, i-ano muna natin, i-divide natin sa tatlo. Because P is for the atrial depolarization or contraction, then QRS is for the ventricular depolarization and contraction, and T is for the ventricular repolarization and relaxation. So, nadi-divide siya sa tatlo. So, sa P, dito nangyayari na yung atria ay nagko-contract, which means binababa niya yung dugo to the ventricles. And then sa QRS, dito nangyayari na ang ventricles ay nagko-contract, nag-eject ng blood to the parts of our body. And then sa T, dito nangyayari yung relaxation. It indicates that nagre-relax yung, sa T-wave, ini-indicate niya na nagre-relax or nagre-rest yung lower chambers in preparation for another muscle contraction. So, kapag nagsimula yung electrical impulse from the SA node going lower into the lower chambers, yon, makikita mo sa ECG na yung PQRST waves. If meron siyang absent, kunyari, absent yung P wave, it means na there is no trigger. Walang nangyaring trigger sa SA node. The electrical impulse didn't come from the SA node. Maybe below the SA node or within the AV node or somewhere below the SA node kasi absent siya. If hindi naman siya absent, good. Dahil it means that the electrical impulse comes from the SA node. So, here sa AV node, as you can see, it is slightly depressed. Medyo flat siya, then depressed, then going to the R wave. So, dahil nga, there is a delay happening in the atria before the ventricles eject blood into the parts of our body. So, nangyayari yon dun sa waves from the P to the Q to the R. So, yun ay ang PR interval. This is where the delay of AV node happens. Dito sa waves. PR interval. PQR. And then, sa ST segment, this is where the repolarization happens. Dito. Diba ito flat? Because nag-rest nga. And then T is the indication that the lower chambers have rest and ready for in preparation for the next muscle contraction. So yun. Remember na ang one cardiac cycle is equal to one heartbeat. And the waves divide into three, the P, the Q, R, S, and T. So, meron siya iba't iba. Atrial depolarization, ventricular depolarization, and ventricular repolarization. So, that's it. That's all for today. And I hope you get it. And if may questions kayo, just send a message. Thanks, guys.